want to share my new AROEVE Air Purifier. This is a very compact unit, and it's great for, say, a bedroom or an office, a home office. This is good for up to 215 square feet. Figure, say, 14 and a half feet by 14 and a half feet. That's way bigger than my bedroom or my home office. So that's kind of the size room that it would be appropriate to use this in. It's so tiny. It is only like, let me see, 6.1 inches from one side to the other, and it's only 9.7 inches tall. So that is really small compared to the one that I have in the in my living room that goes into the kitchen and the dining room. So bigger room, bigger unit. So I love the features that are on this. It has 360-degree intake, and it has 3 different speeds. There's an overnight or a sleep mode right here. They're calling it the first speed, which is kind of the middle speed, and then the second speed. And each speed has more air flow through it. And the one overnight is very small, just a heads up on it. Then it also has lights, and the lights, let me give you an idea here. You have the choice of, it defaults at top only. Let me show you what that looks like. If you hit that button again, it does bottom only, and it comes out through all of those holes on the intake, and I think that looks very cool. Hit it again, and you get it top and bottom, so that's quite a bit of light. You could use that as a night light. Hit it again, and both of those go off, but indicator lights stay on, just a heads up. If that bothers you, put it across the room from you on the floor on the other side of the bed. That's what I'm going to do. I just got it. So, and lights do bother me in the bedroom, as far as like the TV light drives me nuts. The one at the bottom, just in the front. Anyway, that's my issue, not yours. So it has 2 timer settings here. You can set it for 6 hours. This is an auto shut off timer. This is not a turn it on timer. This is just for shutting it off. There's a 6 hour, press it again, and there's a 12 hour. This third one here that looks like a tic-tac-toe little mark there. And this, if you press that, this is going to come on when it's time to change the filter. And it's going to change the light down here to red. And it's going to stay red until you change the filter. After you change the filter, you're going to push this down and hold it, and it will turn it back to blue. That's the only way to get the light off, is to change the filter and then manually change it from the red to the blue. The other feature that's really cool, I've never seen before, is that right here, if you pull this out and up, this actually, you can put essential oils on this, and the air that goes in here at the bottom goes through the filter. It comes out the top, is going to come through this little sponge looking thing. Let me show you. And it's going to go through this and come out, and you'll have nice smelling air. Just a couple drops. You really don't want to go crazy on it, because it can become very overwhelming very quickly as to whether how much smell or fragrance is in the air. But it is a nice feature. I do wonder if they sell replacements. I can't find any information on that there. If it's in the bedroom, I want to be able to have like lavender in it, because lavender helps you sleep. If it's in the office, you might want to use like tangerine or peppermint or something that's bright and vibrant that gives you, kind of energizes you, versus the lavender that helps you sleep. So, but it's a very, very cool feature. Overall, I think it's a really cool air filter. It's got a lot of really great qualities to it. I love the fact that you can get upgraded filters for it that will filter pet dander or smoke and odors, depending on if you have pets. I have 3. It becomes, I mean, that extra layer is just huge for pet dander. But there's upgraded different styles of the upgraded. So, but they're available, and that's great. And everything about this, I'm really tickled. The only to me question is about, it's so minor. It's about that pad. And beyond that, I'm really, really excited to have this now.